Hi everyone, in this video I will be speaking to you about how to perform buckling analysis in SkyCiv Structural 3D. Typically, when we talk about buckling, we are considering vertical members or columns experiencing axial loads. For this demonstration, I will quickly make a rectangular column 3 meters tall, 50 by 50 millimeters, and I will assign the material as structural steel. On the right hand side, I will click the render button to see what it looks like in 3D. We can see that it is quite a slender beam, so let's see if it will buckle. I will add a point load to the top of the column of 10 kilonewtons, and I will attach a fixed support at the bottom. To do the buckling analysis, I will go over to the Solve button in the top right corner and click Linear Static and Buckling. To check buckling results, we can go over to the left and click Buckling. So here, our structure is not buckling, so buckling results won't show. However, if I go back to my model and I increase the point load and I solve again, we can see that it now does buckle. When it does buckle, the software will show the buckling shape, which I can visualize here under Scale. To finish, I'll quickly go over a slightly more complicated example of a 2D truss just to show you why buckling analysis is important. Let's run a quick buckling analysis just like before. And it's warning us that buckling is happening, so let's check it out. If I look at the displacement results, I can see that our max displacement is just under 10 millimeters on member 23. Now, since this truss is about 10 meters long and 3 meters high, a displacement of 10 millimeters seems pretty negligible. That makes us think our structure is doing fine. However, if we now look at our buckling results and we rotate the structure, we can see that it's in fact buckling pretty badly. For more details, you can press View All Members. This will give you a detailed summary of the critical loads and stress being experienced by each member. You can also get a Euler buckling check. Alternatively, you can also generate a report down here. This will give you a more detailed summary, and it's a quick way for you to check the status of each of your members and do some quick design revisions. If you have any questions, send us a message on the platform. Our team is always here to help.